Imagine getting a mammogram today that would basically predict the results of what future mammograms would be and what a radiologist would see.
If you could give somebody the gift of saying, you've got 5 more years, and then the next year, you've got 5 more years.
Dr. Debbie Bennett is a breast radiologist at Siteman Cancer Center and section chief of breast imaging at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis.
The anxiety that is caused by knowing that, okay, at some point in the years remaining to me, there's a high chance that I'm going to develop breast cancer, but not knowing what year that's going to be is really difficult. People come in here, and every time they're here, they are waiting for the other shoe to drop. Every year, they think, this is the year that I'm going to get breast cancer.
Bennett is leading a new clinical trial to help advance groundbreaking breast cancer risk prediction technology developed at WashU Medicine by this research team, Dr. Graham Colditz and Dr. Joy Jiang.
Women with family history may be at higher risk for lifetime risk, which is a metric that is being used right now in clinic. But we don't know how long we're going to live, really. So looking at a lifetime risk doesn't really make much sense. But looking at a 5-year risk, you can actually see that horizon, right? That's 5 years from today.
So I've been helping Drs. Colditz and Dr. Jiang develop and test their software that looks at risk prediction for development of breast cancer using mammograms from our practice.
That's step 1. Together, this research team is taking its first big step towards the future.
Currently in clinic right now, women can get their 5-year breast cancer risk. But the way of getting that is by filling a bunch of questionnaires, and the accuracy is not very good. There's a lot of recording errors, and even with the perfect answer, the accuracy is not very good. So our invention really comes in when the woman takes the mammogram, and then the risk is generated automatically just using the images alone.
The researchers developed new technology that harnesses AI. The AI-based technology analyzes mammograms and improves the accuracy of predicting a woman's personalized 5-year risk of developing breast cancer.
As soon as a woman gets the mammogram taken, the 5-year risk can be generated automatically.
And by having that summary and then including how that's changing over time once there are repeated images, your AI is better than a radiologist's eye.
The system has already been trained on past mammograms from tens of thousands of individuals at Siteman Cancer Center.
The model is trained using these mammograms collected in-house. We've done several validations on global scale to test the generalizability of our model, and our tool can achieve up to 85% of accuracy. It's over twice as more accurate compared to the questionnaires alone.
I'll call it a giant leap forward towards personalized prevention strategies, that accuracy. Millions of bits of data from the mammogram, we get a much richer summary of the breast tissues than a 4-point scale on density.
In the summer of 2025, another milestone. The technology received Breakthrough Device designation from the FDA.
And what that means is that the FDA will work with us together to fast track and to help us to get through the approval process. So after that, this tool will be available in clinic, and so women can use it to understand her 5-year risk.
Identify those at high risk who might benefit from additional prevention strategies, and ideally, we'd identify low-risk women who may need less intensive screening, less frequent screening.
The researchers say the plan would be for the technology to be introduced into the clinics in the summer of 2026. Dr. Bennett says one day AI models may improve, giving that very beneficial lifetime risk.
To more accurately be able to say to somebody, yes, it's very likely that you're going to develop breast cancer at some point over your life. We need to manage that. And the chance that you're going to develop it in the next 5 years is not any higher than an average risk person. Keep going. Just go live your life. I think means a lot to a lot of our patients.